Cleopatra, the last queen of Egypt, was known for her intelligence and beauty. Born into a royal family, she learned multiple languages and was a skilled diplomat. When Julius Caesar arrived in Egypt, Cleopatra saw an opportunity. She formed an alliance with him and helped restore his power, captivating him with her charm. Later, she met Mark Antony, and together they sought to strengthen Egypt's position against Rome. Despite her brilliance, Cleopatra faced challenges. In the end, her story became one of love, ambition, and tragedy, leaving a legacy that continues to fascinate the world.